welcome to Aryaas Corner. You're wondering, we're in a different place and wondering where we are. We're in a cottage where there's the home, and here's the forest, and there's where we can do some camps. So first, and that's the fireplace actually. There's one inside, but first we're going to show the decor outside in that jungle. Let's go. It's going to be a miracle. Just be very careful in jungle. They can be very scary things. You can even collect some acorns on the way if you find them. There's much to take home. I wonder if you've ever been to this place. Tell me in the comments if you have. Let's leave this and let's take a bigger one. It'll be easier to hike. Look at here. I wonder what this thing is. But let's keep carrying on. It's gonna be cool and deeper in here. Deeper and deeper. The cooler it gets. Do you see those? Hear those voices? Don't think these are jungle or something. Do you hear those? Let's keep going. Listen, guys, there's so long grass. You better wear these type of shoes because you don't know what can be in here. You hear those? Those are birds flying in the air. And look. Look at those pretty flowers and stuff. Let's go deeper now, guys. And look, those trees. There might be caterpillars on them. Oh, look, there's a caterpillar. There's a caterpillar. It's a pretty wild and good place to have an adventure. And grapes. But these are wild grapes, so don't dare to eat them. I think there's another caterpillar. Oh, it's another caterpillar. Look, guys. There's lots of cool things in this place. There's so many big things. It's a pretty good adventure place. It's nice and peaceful here because there's so many nice and strange voices and nicer things deeper and deeper in this jungle. And it's so nice and peaceful everywhere in this place. And we don't even hear some cars or trucks here. Can't you believe it? I think you'll see a caterpillar one day. There's many caterpillars here. Many stuff was natural and others. You can even pick some flowers if you see some. Canada is so green and so beautiful. Everyone adores these stuff. And I hope no one cuts trees in this place. Because if you cut trees, then it will hurt the environment. Then the environment will be very bad. Okay. There's many jungle mosquitoes coming on. And don't forget, be very careful here because there's many mosquitoes in wild places. And these are very bad pests, so we better go up. We might even get to collect more things than acorns. Oh, I guess I got it alone. Next time. Shoot. These are pests. Now we're going up and back to our not usual home, but home for today. And we're going back to the cottage now. So we can, and then I will show you good places in the cottage. Follow me. Let's follow me. First I will show you the backyard of the cottage. Yeah. If we're not going in the jungle, we're going to go the opposite direction. Come here. Look, a windmill. Windmill. And come here. This tree. This, what you see, it's burned. It's a solar pan. And the solar pan, this is a solar panel. And solar panels are used for using fresher electricity from the sunlight. And then it bounces off, and then it makes more and more after the sun bounces enough. And then it can make electricity and help the environment more than we do. So now, follow me. I'm going to show you more of the places how we can go in the backyard, but the opposite direction. Look here. Almost there. Look, we're here. We're here. Now, let's climb up. Look, isn't this a nice handy place?